doll collectors and gift givers, it's time for another Versus. After our smart doll video, we had a lot of requests to check out other 24-inch dolls on Amazon in the $100 range. I found two, and please forgive me, I am probably going to destroy this name, but I think it is Ucanaan. These are 1/6 scale BJD dolls at 24 inches for around $109 each, and most of them appear to be Amazon Prime. We also found Eva BJD. These are a 1/3 scale doll. Not all of them are 24 inches. Prices range from about $89.99 to around $179. And this is just on Amazon. You can always look on other websites to find different pricing. I went with this one at $109. The doll arrived in a long, thin box. Since it was Amazon Prime, it only took like 2 days to get here. The warnings on the side say small parts recommended for ages 6 and up, avoid water or long-term use in a damp environment, wipe surface clean with a cloth, and hand wash the clothes. Here is the full Amazon listing. This doll is Felice, and she has pretty good reviews, so let's check it out. Out of the box, I'm getting some porcelain doll vibes. She comes fully dressed, which is pretty cool. That price includes a complete outfit. She has a red fabric hat with a ribbon across the front. It's red, white, and blue, and there are 2 buttons on the sides. The hat is sewn on with a few stitches. I'm going to carefully cut them so we can remove it. She has long brown hair. The hair is soft, it's straight, and it has a nice amount of shedding. But that could be just because it's new, so let's keep going and clean this up. Her hair is pretty long, I would say about 16 inches. This is a wig. They use Velcro to hold it in place. There is a lot of shedding, so I'm just brushing the hair to try to remove any loose pieces. She has bangs, which I really like, especially with dolls that have wigs. She has eyelashes. I like that. It looks like her ears are pierced. However, it doesn't go all the way through, so I'm guessing you would have to make the hole and they just gave you an idea of where to put it. I don't know. This is my first time looking at this doll. She has painted on bottom eyelashes, eyebrows, and a pink lip. Her cheeks are pink, as well as the back of her hand, and she has painted nails. She comes wearing a scarf. It is removable. All of the edges are raw, so there is some light fraying. She's wearing a plaid coat. It stops just above the knee. There's a flower glued to her lapel. There are large gold buttons in the front. The coat is being held closed with plastic ties. We're gonna cut right through those. The inside of the coat is very neat. I think they did a good job of sewing this. It's lined. We got some really nice finished edges here. It can easily be removed. Under the coat, she wears a sleeveless turtleneck. It's a heather gray. It's made of a soft sweater-like material. There is a white stitching at the bottom. It's got a few spots where it's a little uneven. It velcros in the back. She wears long, kind of high-waisted pants. They have a wide waistband, Velcro in the back. The fabric looks like a dark denim, but it's not. It's actually a stretchy kind of knit. She has white underwear on under her jeans. And if you look closely, you can see that we do have quite a few stitches popped. And I didn't do it this time, I promise. She wears high socks that match her sweater and white boots with black soles. I love that! The snaps really work on the shoes, so they're easy to remove. I wonder if my smart doll can fit these shoes. Ah, she can! Genesis, my smart doll, was totally wearing Felice's shoes. That's cool. Ah, check out that knee joint. She has a nice range of motion at the knee. We might as well take a look at the articulation right now. The leg can turn at the hip, in the socket. The foot can move at the ankle, going forward and back. However, I'm seeing like 3 different skin tones here. I like that her toenails are painted, but I would have liked to have seen all of this the same color. Let's look at a smart doll leg. Oh yeah, that's a different color too. But this and this are the same color. I'm seeing 3 here. I'm seeing 2 here. Felice does have more articulation at the knee than our smart doll, but that kneecap is a very different color than the rest of the skin, so I don't know if that matters to you, but I'm not a huge fan of the multicolored joints. See the wrist, the elbow. It's a cool elbow, lots of motion there. Just wish it was all the same color. She has movement at the shoulder, the upper arm, elbow, and wrist. The hand cannot turn. It can go forward and back. She can turn at the waist, and the head can move at the neck. Can it go forward and back? Just a little, but it has a good range going from side to side. Here's Felice standing next to our smart doll, Resilient. They both have glass-like inset eyes. I feel like Resilient has more character in her face. With the ends of her mouth turning up, you can see a lot of depth in her eyes. Felice has larger facial features. Her eyes are bigger. Her nose is more pronounced. She almost kind of looks like a child. To me, smart dolls look more like a teen or a 20-something. I'm trying not to be biased here, but so far, Smart Doll still has my vote. But Felice did come with another bag of goodies. This was included in the box. I did not pay extra for it, which is awesome. Is that what I think it is? Shoes? We got some pink shoes. I tried to buy some of these the other day, but they all sold out. Wow, that's crazy. And they came free with Felice. We also have, looks like hair accessories, eyelashes. Those look like human size. We have some little hair bands here that I'm guessing can be used as headbands for the dolls. That's pretty cool. Got 2 different colors. We also have some hair clips, hair bands. All these lovely plastic sounds. That looks like a wand and a little tiny tiara, a comb and a mirror, and yeah, a set of eyelashes. Definitely keeping the shoes. This is also in the bag. Is that a dress or a skirt? It's a dress for when Felice feels like getting fancy. It has elastic around the top, and I'm guessing that's just to make sure it doesn't fall down. It does Velcro in the back, so it'll be easy to get on the doll. A catalog was also included. Let's take a quick look on the inside, and there's our doll right there. So I'm guessing this is the same company. They were bought by this company, or they are operating under a new name. One of those things might be right. Or this could be an older name. I'm thinking it's a newer name though. I don't know, I'll have to research that. But you can see a lot of other dolls that are available in a variety of different outfits. In this catalog, Felice goes by Phyllis. So there's another difference right there. If you are familiar with this doll line, please let us know in the comments down below which is the most current company and the correct name, because I've got lots of options. Our smart doll can fit her coat. You know I was going to try that on, right? The hat's a little big. Resilient has a smaller head than Felice, so I don't know if they can share wigs. Her wig definitely could not fit on her, but maybe her wig can fit on her. Here is Resilient with Felice's wig. She can fit it, but there is a lot of space in there. It's moving around quite a bit. I found another wig on Amazon. It was $13. It comes with a silicone cap to help the wig stay in place, a comb, and a long curly wig with bangs. This hair is lavender, pink, and blue. The silicone cap fits onto the Smart Doll. There is not a lot of shedding, but this is a very long wig. Wow, that silicone cap really works. That wig is not moving. The bangs are a little long. They're kind of covering her eyes, but at $13, I don't have a problem with trimming it. And I probably will, because the length of the hair is a little long for me. But I like having the option of getting some fun hair colors at a pocket-friendly price. So here we are, Smart Doll versus Amazon. The Smart Doll website is pretty easy to use. Amazon is very easy to use. $480, $109. When you buy this doll, you just get the wig and her undergarments. When you buy this doll, you get a wig, outfit, undergarments, and shoes. Both dolls had pretty speedy delivery. This one was delivered by DHL, and she was delivered by the Amazon Prime truck. The soft vinyl body does give her a little bit more posability. This doll does have some vinyl. It is harder and a lot of plastic parts. She feels pretty sturdy. I like that it's very easy to change her hands and her eyes. Customizing this doll looks like it would be a little more work. Both dolls are 24 inches or 60 centimeters. At least that's what it says on the packaging. When standing side by side, she doesn't come with a doll stand. That's a thing too. When standing side by side, Resilient is slightly taller than Felice. This doll appears to have limited skin tone options. They all look pretty much the same. Smart dolls come in 4 skin tones: milk, tea, cinnamon, this one is the cinnamon, and cocoa. I gotta say, I am a big fan of diversity in doll lines. The Amazon doll is a good option if you're looking for something pocket-friendly in this size. I love all of the options you get with Smart Doll, from the hair color, the wig color, to changing their hands, so I'll probably be sticking with Smart Doll, even though they do cost more. But I can save a few bucks by finding accessories on Amazon. Let us know in the comments down below who won this versus, Smart Doll or the Ucanaan doll, found on Amazon. Thank you for joining us for another versus. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time.